So this is all edited as well. You don't have to hear the annoying grinding of the Dremel. It was really recording really well. So yeah, and I could have lowered the sound through editing, which I haven't done, which would be a good experience. But more importantly, I this whole video ran over 3 hours, and I just thought nobody's trying to spend 3 hours watching this project, which, well, we'll see, you know. So I just carve a bit, and then the painting, it's basically, it's just these three colors. It's a black background, and then they're roses. So it's basically green with highlight and shadows, and then the rose with highlights and shadows. In the video, the original video, it's really, I'm sad that I did a good job in recording it because there's no music. I'm not listening to music, which is an old habit. So I tried, because the copyright, you just can't do that, have that in the sound. So removing it it's unnatural if you're trying to go backwards. So you learn to just turn it off. Again, this is not the actual sound because it's eight times speed in order to try to show as much as possible in as little time as possible while I have my audience, and hopefully they see something that they're like, hey, what did he do there? If you have a question, certainly put something down, and I have, like I said, it's over 3 hours in full length. If you want to see some other little snippet, that's possible, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, it's green. It's just green right here. And I cut. There's some cuts. And it's like most of it's running at 8 times speed. Some of it I really, really like. I don't know how to go higher than 800, so that I might want to do that at some point. And then there's times at which I want to slow down, so you can see a precise stroke where you can watch, maybe even close-ups, which I don't really. This is a fixed where I set the camera. And the process has been learning too. I have some ideas of the directions I want to go when there's a budget to buy an upgrade, such I don't have. I'll do what I can with what I have always, and I'll try to do the best I can and make some nice art, whatever it is, painting, carving, drawing, other stuff, even this video editing. I guess I'm not at art level, I'm at craft level at best. So I hope you enjoy craft level video editing by this guy. It's not really set up. This is kitchen table or a dining room table. It's not my art table. The cameras aren't like set stationary. At least this is. I like this angle right here. The camera's set up on this angle is pretty good, so that it's like to the inside of my right hand, where you'll see like whatever I'm focusing on, painting, drawing, or whatever, that should be what viewers could see, but the camera's fixed. So I got this. I've already worked it out, but it's just a process. Three years of learning, growing, mistakes for sure. Sometimes they led in different directions, like a lot of artwork that actually you become endeared to them as a creator. You're like, I love the way of whatever, you know. Everybody has that. Yeah, there's no television. Like in the normally in this room, television's running, so you can't really just have that soundtrack. You have to replace it, which essentially I'm doing here, which is unfortunate because the soundtrack was not in actual need of replacement. I just 3 hours was not going to be acceptable to show all this. I said, this angle's not bad right here. You can see it's low. But that's because the camera's sitting on the table. But that one's pretty good. And I tried to make sure that there's enough coverage. It's this, basically, it's like I said, it's black, and then the greens, and then the pink, red. You get the gist. And this angle is best. It's difficult to set up. I couldn't use, I don't even want to get into it. But there it is. It worked. And in the end, it's the first time I think I did it this way. And, you know, it's early in the process, like I said. The roses actually get like a whole nother layer of, this is all I got photographed of. There was some more work on the roses. It's just that whatever was going on at the time, I don't know, distractions, I guess. Maybe I absolutely don't know. I don't know. I want to say it's almost 2 years ago. And I didn't know how to handle several pieces. I was like, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I think partly because the piece didn't end up in its home. I was waiting to do the video because I was going to mount it into the chair where it was designed to be placed. But it really should have. And again, it doesn't matter because this is the end. What you're about to see in the next minute. I just share this, so, you know, it's an idea. But it goes inserted into a metal chair that has this opening right there. Never had anything ever there. It's kind of strange that way, but this was going to be inserted.